This tutorial will show you how to clear history on Safari completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. So the first step to how to clear history in Safari is to open up Safari. In this case, I'm using an iPhone. This can also work for Android, but basically if you want to clear your startup history pages, in this case I have two tabs and I want to clear the history on both. You want to type in the following settings and then click on your settings icon for Android or iPhone, but in this case this is going to be for iPhone. If you were to scroll down on your iPhone, now you have access to the search bar, and then basically type in Safari and then click on the Safari app, which is the second option below Safari iCloud. Now as you scroll down on the screen, you'll have a list of different options, but towards the middle and towards the end, click this option right here which says clear history and website data. And now basically it's just going to say clearing will remove your history, cookies, and other browsing data. History will be cleared from devices assigned into your iCloud account. You have two options to clear the history and data or to click cancel. In this case, we're going to click clear history and data. Now it's going to ask you and warn you, do you want to close all tabs or do you want to keep the tabs? In this case, I'm going to click keep tabs. Now if I were to go back to Safari, you can now successfully see that, well, we don't have anything. We still have our tabs, but the history has been successfully cleared out completely for free.